and welcome to my pharmacy. Do you want to know what pharmacology is? Then watch my video and don't forget to click like.
Hello? Hello, wake up!
Oh yes.
Oh, it's an emergency!
What?
Why are you sleeping in the daytime?
Oh, that's because we work 24 hours. I've been working all night. I was so sleepy. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, it's an emergency. Can you please give me this medicine?
Okay. And this is okay. Yes. Here you go. You need to take this injection 2 times a day, and this medicine you're supposed to take only 1 time a day in the morning.
Okay, and there is supposed to be another one, I think.
Oh, let me check. Oh, yes, sir. This is your other medicine, and this you have to take 2 times a day. This also 2 times a day.
Okay, thank you. But it's amazing. How can you read doctor's prescription so well?
Oh, well, I'm a pharmacist, so I can read it.
That's great. Well, I'm a journalist. Would you like to give me some interview, sir?
Yes, sure.
Yeah. So, can you tell me something about pharmacy?
Pharmacy is a shop where you can get different types of medicine, and that's why you came here to buy your medicine.
That's great. So, what is this first aid box that you have over here?
Oh, these are the emergency medicines. Let me show you.
Okay.
Look.
Well, I can see. Can you tell me about each medicine, please?
Oh, yes, sure. These are drops. Yes, this is for pain and fever, yes.
Okay.
And this, it is skin ointment.
Okay.
It is Polyfax.
All right.
These are some tablets.
Which tablets are these?
The Panadol one.
Okay. What does this medicine do?
This also, this reduces fever.
Okay. Wow, you know a lot.
And this is a cream.
Okay.
This cream is for our muscle sprains.
All right.
And that's all. Yes, so we should all have this first aid box in our house.
Okay, so these are the emergency medicines. Wow, you've got so many kinds of different medicines. Could you please tell me about all of them one by one?
ओके अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा साइंस के एक ब्रांच के बारे में जिसका नाम है फार्मेसी। फार्मेसी एक दुकान होती है जहां आप डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ड्रग्स या मेडिसिन ले सकते हैं। फार्मास्यूटिकल साइंस, अ ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस that deals with making drugs. Drugs is a scientific world of medicine. And these are common types of medicines. Analgesic are painkillers. Antiseptic works against pathogens. Anti-allergies against allergies. Antipyretic reduces fever and disease caused by microorganisms. Antibiotic works against bad bacteria. Antiemetic effective against vomit. Vaccine, a drug that improves the immune system to fight against disease or virus. Go Corona, go! Let's see.
And she's having fever as well. Can you please give me a medicine for fever?
Oh yes. This.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. And these are the roles of pharmacists. Clinical pharmacist are are those who work in factories making different types of drugs. And finally, retail pharmacists are those who work in everyday pharmacies in the pharmacy store. Now I will be telling you the types of drugs. Over-the-counter, the short form of over-the-counter medicines is OTC. And over-the-counter medicines are the medicines which you can get easily from the pharmacy without asking the doctor. For example, you can get fever or pain medicines. Prescribed medicines are RX medicines. And prescribed medicines are in an order of medicines given by the doctor to the patient. Prescription is written this way. BID means use twice a day. OM means every morning. ON means use every night. And TID means use 3 times a day. And BID means use twice a day. And prohibited medicines are harmful medicines or drugs. There are certain drugs and chemicals that are harmful and are not in the access of unlicensed or unauthorized people. You must be wondering, what is the classification of drug form? So now I will be telling it to you. There are 4 types of drug forms: solid, semi-solid, liquid and aerosol. In solid we have first tablet, second caplet, third capsule, fourth powder, fifth lozenges and sixth effervescent. In semi-solid we have creams and pastes. In liquid we have syrups, injections, drops and solutions. And finally, in the fourth and last category, we have aerosol, in which we have spray, nebulizers and inhalers. These are different types of medicines. Some medicines are in powder form, some are injections, and they are in ampoules. Some are tablets like this, and some medicines are in syrup form. For example, Panadol. This is strawberry flavored and it heals and it reduces fever.
Okay.
And this is Brufen. This is in orange flavor. It reduces fever and also reduces pain. These medicines are to be applied on the skin. For example, this is a paste, an antiseptic paste. This is a gel. And this is a skin ointment. It's known as Polyfax. This is a cream. When you have muscle spasms, you put this. This is a cream. And this is a lotion. The lotion, you use this when you have a skin rash. Also some inhalants like this. And there are also drops like this. This is an eye drop. This is a nasal spray. This is a nasal spray. Most of the homeopathic medicines also come in drops. Some medicines are lozenges like this. They slowly dissolve in your mouth and you suck them. Mostly for your throat. And some medicines are effervescent. they dissolve in water like this. So now I will be telling you that how do drugs work. Oral drugs. You are sick, you take the drug, it goes through your mouth, it goes into your stomach, it goes into the bloodstream, and it goes to the targeted area, and you feel fine. Lozenges are the pills that are designed to dissolve in mouth slowly like strep cells. And effervescent are drugs that is dissolved in water. For example, vitamin C. And what is cream? Cream is what you apply on skin topically, and for example, Polyfax ointment. And paste is very thick drug. For example, toothpaste or Burnol. Syrup is a sweet liquid and mixed with a drug. For example, Calpol or Brufen. Injections are pricky short via a needle, and because of that, a drug goes directly into the bloodstream to the targeted area, and you feel better.
Okay.
Injections are intramuscular, intravenous, or subcutaneous under the skin. And suppositories are some medicines that are mixed with glycerin and inserted through anal opening. And drops and sprays go directly to the targeted organ. For example, eye drops, nose drops, ear drops. Drops and injections are sterile and completely germ free. Are you having trouble reading the doctor's prescription?